Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating prerequisites. Verify VPN is connected and two-factor authentication works because secure access avoids wasted attempts. Next, load your key file and place it in the correct // SSH location with 600 permissions. This grants identity. Once done, open an SSH client and run a quick ping to the data store host to confirm routing. Make sure to export any required $access token in your shell. This prevents interactive interruptions when you initiate the connection. You authenticate by initiating SSH with the specified key and port. That opens an interactive shell on Data Store Alpha. Once connected, elevate to the required role if needed using sudo or a role switch command, because permissions dictate what you can read or write. Then navigate to the target mount or bucket path and inspect contents with lsla and do sh to estimate size. While working, run file transfers with rsync or SFTP and keep a log. This preserves state if you must reconnect. You finalize by ensuring writes are atomic. Write to a temporary file, then rename to the final path, because that prevents partial reads. After operations, run SHA-256 sum on key files and compare against expected checksums to confirm integrity. If you encounter failures, capture SSH and application logs, note specific error codes, and retry commands with verbose flags to reveal details. One key troubleshooting tip. If a transfer stalls, restart the client with a clean session and use rsync partial to resume without resending everything.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.